what's going on? Thank you for joining back. This one hopefully is going to be a crazy video. I'm super excited for it, bro. I told you all week we're doing some weird things we don't usually do. Took 2 days off, you know, some things can't be avoided. What can I say? I apologize. Anyway, boys, back in action. We're back in the action. Alright, boys, first off, what we're unboxing is going to take a little explanation. I know a lot of you guys like to skip through the talking. I think it's going to be beneficial to hear my reasoning behind this. If you want to skip through, you're not going to enjoy the video. Or maybe you will. With that said, thumbs up, comment down below, boys. We're still giving away that free gold rope chain. I actually just cleaned my room and put it in one of my jewelry boxes. But let's say 500 thumbs up down below and comment. All we need to do for you to win it. Just comment thumbs up. That's it. Hit me up on Instagram. You're entered. So getting into it, boys. How do you even go about this, bro? As you guys know, this is the easiest way. I'm really into the Bigfoot, the Sasquatch, if you will, you know, aliens and stuff like that. You know, call me a dreamer, call me just like wanting to believe in, I think, like higher things or whatever the hell. They're just things that like probably are actually real and we're just sleeping on it. However, what I don't say a lot on video, and like I've said it a few times for sure, is I do deal with some spiritual in terms of spirit sometimes. We're unboxing some sort of haunted thing, by the way. Just getting that out the way. Apparently, allegedly. Fucking liars, probably. Anyway, boys, it's a good time to say in this video, as I've said a couple times before, I do deal with some sort of spiritual stuff. I don't know what the hell it is. Runs in the family. My mom's adoptive mom, that we actually know, they got in contact when they were younger. Like, she has some stuff. My mom has literally told me things that she sees before it happens sometimes. I don't talk about this because, one, it's being a believer in aliens and stuff. Two, is claiming that you're actually about it. You know what I mean? But I also have some things where I feel like sometimes things do follow me. I don't know what the hell it is. I just have some wacky experiences sometimes. And for example, I just thought of this. I was trying to think of examples. Easy one, but this happens all the time. Freaking last Saturday night, Ian, the cameraman, my roommate, was gone. He was out hunting with his dad. My girl, Sarah, she's out nursing somewhere up north. I'm hearing bangs around the house as I'm trying to sleep, bro. It happens quite a bit, but this is just a good example because no one's home. I wouldn't say footsteps, but a lot of weird stuff. I think things kind of follow me. I'm not sure though. It's kind of cool to feel like, cause like that's kind of sick. It kind of makes you a bit okay, what the f did I just see there? And that's, okay, you're lying piece of shit if that wasn't just freaky. I'm rewatching that real quick. Weird things happen, boys. I'm really rewatching that real quick. What the fuck? That's another thing. If you watch my videos, I see all the time weird things happening that I don't pick up while I'm filming, but I just saw the glare of the glass. Usually I see it in editing. I don't know if you guys pick up on that too. Holy shoot. Oh, perfect timing, really. Hold on, I gotta rewatch that real quick. It kind of makes you a bit okay, what the f did I just see there? Alright, rewatch that. That did happen. That was sick. Anyway. Boys, quick unboxing. Went on eBay, searching up like haunted items. Now, if you go on eBay searching that stuff up, a lot of times it's like haunted dolls. I guarantee they're probably not haunted. Maybe one is, but like the big tip off is they're selling for like a couple $100. It seems like it's an easy way to just go buy a haunted old doll at a thrift store and sell it for a couple $100. You know what I mean? But anyway, I was still searching on there and I found this box literally for $5 saying something like buy at own risk. I really can't remember. I'm gonna check on my computer for a screenshot. Hopefully I took a picture of it. But $5, that was my one tip off. It's like most of these haunted items are like 300, 400 bucks. It sounds like a massive sham. This one doesn't even say what's in it, which one might mean it's like full of absolute dog shit, like really, which wouldn't be new on the channel. Or two, they're like, I don't know, they're trying to get rid of something without throwing it out. That's how I always think. Usually the wrong thing to do is throw something out that's haunted. I think that's what the movies say. So it's $5 on eBay. Maybe they're transferring through owners. Here's the eBay box. Doesn't sound like crap to me, thank God. $5 plus shipping. Let's get into it, boys. Haunted, if you will. We're gonna see what the hell it is. It's mostly just a mystery unboxing. Let's go. After this ad, real quick. Boys, this video is sponsored by Ridge Wallet. The new wallet, if you will. Gone are the days of the fat one that sticks out your back pocket, boys. You get pickpocketed 5 times a week. It sucks. With the Ridge Wallet, man, the super sleek technology of it, or I guess the look, you can get a bunch of different styles, by the way. It holds everything in one. Look at this button right here, boys. Let me flip it, push that up. Access access to all the cards you need. You can hold up to 12 cards. Hope you don't have any more. It means you're back to that too many credit cards or something like that, Bran. They got a bunch of other stuff on their website too. If you don't just want a wallet, you got other stuff. Flip her over on a back, boys. That's what she said. You got your cash right here. I got a bad amount of cash in this thing. It holds real nice. Anyway, boys, with the link down below with Ridge Wallet, you're gonna get 15% off till December 7th if you go purchase right now, boys. So go do it if you want to get a Christmas present for something. I know a bunch of my boys have actually been buying these after seeing me have it. They all freaking love it. This sale won't last long. Ridge Wallet, appreciate you. Let's get into this, boys. This is kind of a sketchy one to do, like, as video-wise, because, like, obviously we're not going to get haunted right away, I don't think. However, I just want to see what's in this box that so-and-so, whoever the hell said, don't buy for $5. I think it's a marketing tactic, boys. I'm not going to lie. Let's go. I'm not looking yet, boys. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. The weird unboxings I love, man. I got a couple thoughts right now. What is that? It's a Beanie Baby. A Dove Beanie Baby. That's it. God damn it! Oh, it's a haunted Beanie Baby, maybe. Actually, this is how we're gonna test them. Just thinking right now. I think Beanie Babies go for some money online. I'm gonna search up like a code or whatever the hell it has on it. I'm gonna find this on eBay and see how much the thing's worth. And if it's worth more than $5 substantially, I think we're gonna chalk this thing up as haunted. You know what I mean? Why would you sell one for? Yeah, I think that's a good plan. eBay we go. Boys, one watched in the past 24 hours. It just popped up. We have bids going on right now for $17.89 on this Beanie Baby. I could tell by the peace sign on it that's what I just searched up, peace sign Dove. With $18 shipping, there's watchers on it. I don't know where you go from here anymore, bro. It's like this whole thing's kind of now this whole thing's seeming a little f***ed up. Did that broom just now the peace signs seem a little f***ed up. Rewatch again. I think I almost knocked my damn plaque off the wall, bro. Alright, okay, yeah, okay. I'm gonna watch outside the... I don't wanna do that. I'm putting that back in the box. If that comes up, that thing freaking moved. I swear to God I heard it. I'm out. Yeah, rewatch that and I'm out, bro. And I'm taking my Ouija board with me because I had a little story about that thing. Hell no. Dude, what the... Panda, do you want this? Should I do... Oh, no, that's bad. I'm just putting it together like you guys are, man. Hey, Panda, you want this? We're doing it for the video, man. Panda, come here. I think it's really dumb that that was weird. That fucking move, bro. Okay, Panda, go. Second thoughts. No, don't touch it. Sorry, never mind. I'll give you a treat instead. Okay, well, my story that I had with the Ouija board was, it was kind of a story, oh, whoa. My heart's kind of pumping right now a little bit. I say things happen a lot, but that was just kind of weird in the same time of looking up the damn Beanie Baby that's now on the floor. I don't know what to do with this damn thing, bro. Call me crazy, but I'm not trying to play around like this Ouija board. This is the story I had. I think I said it in one video, but it got like 0 views, so I'll say it again. When I say like there's some stuff that happens sometimes, bro, I was blasted one night with my boy, Ian and Sarah, and we were doing Ouija board. And anyway, I don't know, it turned out scary. Sorry, I'm just kind of freaking out a little bit, but not tons. I'm more stoked, more questioning. Anyway, I freaked out, I smashed the thing, but going back into the thing, what do you do with it? I snapped it because I was DRUNK. But now I can't get rid of it, because I think that's a bad omen or something. I think every movie said that, like I say, so now I gotta put a frickin' Beanie Baby Dove somewhere. Or not, I'm reselling it on eBay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not taking the chance. Appreciate y'all for watching. I think this might have been best case scenario for the video though. I can't wait to edit this. Appreciate y'all, new video tomorrow, blah. Love you guys so much. No, I'm actually just stoked. I'm not too scared. I'm pretty stoked.